Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve another easy and very toughy like question of a Python program. So let's see what it states. So it states that write a Python program which accepts the user's first name and the last name and print them in reverse order with a space between them. Cool. So let's take f name variable and let's give it the value of my name Gustav, which is, and then let's settle for L name for last name, which is SARKAR. Now let's print it in a right way. Say my name is, let's give comma and let's use fstring, right? Why shouldn't we use fstring? So let's say f name. Oh come on, I've forgotten to give an f. This f always sucks. And then the L name. No. Oh, another this is close, right? Now let's just print it. So it says that my name is Gustav Circle, which is in a proper way. Now we'll solve their question, which is in a reverse. Okay, let's again give it an H string. Let's print my name in reverse. Why should I keep it in a capital? Reverse is nothing. L name. Give it a space. F name. And done. So let's see. And here it is. It says my name is Gustav Sarkar and my name in reverse is Sarkar Gustav. So that's all for today.